All right, I wanted to go over Lucid today. A very popular ticker. I've been in this stock. I was in it in November. Made some decent money on some calls and some shares. And I got out probably, I think I got out pretty early actually. I got out in mid 30s or so. I didn't think this was going to go that crazy. Went pretty insane. But I wanted to go over it because it's pulled back so much. Where do we stand now today? So last year, this time, we had the first overall wave. This went all the way to 65 bucks, just like most growth stocks. And then we had the pullback A, B, C, second overall wave. We went all the way back down to 16 bucks. So then November comes along and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get up to 57, but we couldn't break the high of this. So you can't say this is the third overall wave. This is only number 1 of the third overall wave. So right now we're at 1, and then where do we stand now? Over the last couple months, what happened to the stock? If I'm looking at it right now, I would say the most likely scenario is we did something like this. We did, I'll use this. So 1, we pull back here to 2. And then 3 took us all the way down to here. This looks like it's going to be 4 right here. Let me do the fibs. That's got to be 4. Yep. So 4. And then it looks like 5 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 kind of went higher though. But we got 5 down here. Looks like the end of A on the pullback. So we do 5. So 5 and A. A, and then this would be clearly be the B. I'm not even going to zoom in on that. That's pretty obvious. That's B. So we got A, B, and then we're on C. But then where are we at on C? Is it time to buy it now, or should you wait longer? Well, we can't really see unless we zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour. It looks like we have 1, 2. Let's use the same. 1, 2. 3. And then look at that, 23 to 0.38, that would be 4. And then here is where we figure out how far is this going to go down. So what I like to do is I like to take the fib retracement tool, start from the bottom of 3, go all the way to the starting point of this wave, and then I take the starting point and take it around to the top of the 4th wave to give us where I see potential for it to go. And it looks like the 50% is usually where I'm aimed at. It looks like there's a possibility this could go to 1991 all the way to 1720. Those would be my aims. Let's see where we're at now on the 5th wave of C. It looks like well, 1, 2. It's definitely 1, 2. I probably have to go down in time frame to see the full wave, but I'm just trying to figure out exactly where we're at. So 1, 2. So looks like right now, if we're aiming for 19 90. I'll put a horizontal line there. All the way to 17 or so. So 17. So in that area is where you'd want to buy. But then you can double check with this. Usually the third wave will be about 1.61 of the first. So yeah, that would take us down to about 2281. So I can put three, and then we can go like this down to 2281, and then it's probably going to bounce to about 2430. And we got, and then, so I've already used the 3 higher time frames to figure out a range. Now I can use this wave to find a range as well. So go to the very start, about 2430 or something like that. And then you see, like, this is pretty much the exact same calculation. This says 20 to 19. So if I was going to start buying this stock, I would probably wait 20 to 19, and then it could go all the way down to high 17s. Of course, it could go lower. I mean, you don't know. This is just probabilities. So 20 to 17, I'll be buying. That's for long-term investors. If you're trying to swing trade, you don't want to be catching any kind of falling knife. If you're really going to wait and you wanted to be really specific, you would wait for it to come all the way down here, have a big bounce, and then come back down on the second wave of the beginning of the overall third wave, and then you buy and you put your stop below the start of that. So zoom back out here. So I'm looking for second wave. I don't know if I'm going to get in this stock or not, but I am looking for probably going to be pulling back to at least 20. I would say 20 is coming for sure. Not, I guess it could just go below here and be done with it, but most likely it's going to be 20. And then after that, I would be looking for a move all the way up to 80 bucks, 83 bucks for the third wave of the overall third wave. And just for your information, the third wave within the overall third wave is usually the biggest move. So you saw this move. If you get this at 20 and you catch this next move up to 83, I don't know how long it will take. The move can take a year, it could take a few years. You don't know how long it's going to take, but if you just buy at 20 and hold, you're probably going to be triple or quadrupling your money eventually. And so if you're looking at 83, I think I've already done the calculations based off this first wave. The top of the overall third wave would take you to around 100 bucks based on the fibs. So, and then probably higher if you held even longer. It remains to be seen if Lucid will be a successful company, but based off technical analysis, that's probably what you're looking at. So, summarized, buy at 20, hold for pretty much ever, as long as the company is executing, and you're probably going to triple or quadruple your money. So, these are just probabilities. Doesn't have to happen this way, but you use those probabilities in your favor to get into trades and good entries and get out at good exits. So leave a comment, like, subscribe, and also leave me ticker requests. I love to do Elliott Wave on pretty much any ticker, so you leave me a request and I will go ahead and take care of that for you. So I'll see you in the next video.